Hello, green-eyed monsters! Here I am again, your Mommy Eye, and welcome back to my channel, Mommy Potter, the Plant Witch. And for today's video, we have day 10 of 30 houseplant care featuring rubber plant care tips. Rubber plants belong to the genus Ficus, which includes about 850 species of wooded trees, shrubs, vines, epiphytes, and hemiepiphytes in the family Moraceae. Ficus is a pantropical genus of trees, shrubs, and vines occupying a wide variety of ecological niches. Most are evergreen, but some deciduous species are endemic to areas outside of the tropics and to higher elevations. Fig species are characterized by their unique inflorescence and distinctive pollination syndrome, which uses wasp species belonging to the family Agonidae for pollination. In this video, I will discuss the subgenus of Ficus, which are commonly grown indoors and are attractive houseplants. We have the Ficus elastica. The rubber plant is a species of plant in the fig genus. It is a large tree in the banyan group of figs. The trunk develops aerial and buttressing roots to anchor it in the soil and help support heavy branches. It has broad, shiny oval leaves which develop inside the sheath at the apical meristem, which grows larger as the new leaf develops. When it matures, it unfurls and the sheath drops off the plant inside the new leaf. Another immature leaf is waiting to develop. I have here examples. The burgundy, which I have propagated from cuttings 3 months ago. The teneki, one with white creamy variegation, as you can see on its leaves, and the other one with golden yellow variegation on the leaves. We also have Ficus benjamina, commonly known as weeping fig, and often sold in stores as just Ficus, is a species of flowering plant in the family Moraceae. Ficus benjamina is a tree with gracefully drooping branchlets and glossy leaves, oval with an acuminate tip. It is a relatively small-leaved fig. The changeable leaves are simple, entire, and stalked. The Ficus microcarpa, also known as curtain fig, is a tree in the fig family Moraceae. Ficus microcarpa is cultivated as ornamental tree for planting in gardens, parks, and in containers as an indoor plant and bonsai specimen. In Southeast Asia, it is cultivated as a shade tree because of its dense foliage. Ficus trees are a common plant in homes and offices, mainly because they look like a typical tree with single trunk and a spreading canopy. But for all of their popularity, Ficus plants are finicky. However, if you know how to take care for a ficus tree, you'll be better equipped with keeping it healthy and happy in your home for years. To grow ficus indoor plants, here are some Mommy Potter tips. On light considerations, ficus trees grown indoors enjoy bright, indirect, or filtered light. Those plants with variegation can tolerate medium light. Mommy Potter tips. Exposing your ficus plants to bright direct sunlight may result of browning of the leaves and leaf loss. On potting your ficus indoors, plant the ficus in a well-draining potting mix in a deep pot with drainage holes so the water can run out. Mommy Potter tips. Prepare your own soil mix by mixing 3 parts loam soil with added vermicast, perlites, and rice hull, 1 part coco peat, and 1 part sand for better drainage. On watering requirements. When watering ficus plants, always check the topsoil first. These plants like high humidity but don't like overly water roots. Mommy Potter tips. Regular misting or setting the ficus tree on a pebble tray filled with water is a great way to increase their humidity. Pests and diseases affecting ficus plants. Ficus plants are prone to mealybugs, scales, and spider mites. If you notice sap dripping from your ficus plants, it is a sure sign of pest infestation. Mommy Potter tips! Regularly check and clean the leaves with moist, soft cloth. Treat the plant with neem oil to handle pest issues. So, these are the basic tips on how to care for ficus plants indoor. So what are you waiting for? Plant now and enjoy the magic of planting!